What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I have an absolutely crazy announcement about the December Mastermind, because the Big Bang Ads affiliate network, our official partner for this mastermind, is hosting a huge competition, and this competition is going to be insane. So of course you need to work with specific partners, and these partners in the CPA marketing industry usually have loyalty programs, but this goes way beyond a normal loyalty program. This is a competition specifically put together for December 2019 and January 2020. So in the previous mastermind we saw a couple of affiliates going way past the other affiliates who were really doing some insanely big numbers in September 2019. So to ensure this happens again, of course, and to give them an extra incentive, because I know for sure there are a couple of guys out there who can just grab this prize easily, we put together this insane competition. So for the first 3 mastermind students who hit 10,000 euros in revenue combined over the European geos and the APAC, Asia Pacific geos, or if you hit 5,000 euros in revenue solely in the Asia Pacific geos, you get 3 crazy prizes. So the first 3 mastermind students to hit these numbers get 3 crazy prizes. First of all, Big Bang Ads will supply you with a ticket to Affiliate World Europe in Barcelona, July 2020. So you get an affiliate entry ticket where you can meet the Big Bang Ads team and the whole Debrew squad. So anybody from Team Colin Dijs will be there. Shake hands, share some thoughts, learn from each other. One of the greatest experiences. When I was there myself in July 2019 in Barcelona, it was absolutely crazy parties, tons of your affiliate friends from all around the world, which you normally never see. The affiliate networks, the advertisers, you usually talk with them on Skype, right, every single day. And this time you can actually meet them face to face, shake hands. So obviously that is a great experience. And even if you don't win this competition, you should be there. But what's better than paying for your own tickets, obviously getting everything for free, and you have the opportunity now. So the second thing you're going to get is a luxury dinner. And believe me, I've been to these dinners before. They are good. They are real good. A luxury dinner with the Big Bang Ads team and the Debrew team. So I don't know what they're planning. I'm not going to tell you what they're planning, but all I know is that I hosted one of these dinners before, and I invited, I think, 5 people in total, and it was over 200 euros per person that was spent in such a night. So you can imagine these, they don't say luxury dinner for no reason, right? It's going to be mental. But I don't know what they've planned. I don't know what the price point is, but for sure in Barcelona they have crazy nice restaurants, and you'll be there with me, with Richard, with the rest of the team, eating from the finest meats, and if you're vegan, from the finest vegan burgers, whatever there is out there, you will be there. And the third thing is obviously always my favorite thing when we go to the affiliate conferences, because business is business, right? You come there with a goal to do business, and we get up at like 7 a.m. We are at the conference at 8 a.m. We leave at 5 or 6 p.m. and then have a nice shower, put on that nice tuxedo, and we go to the hottest parties. And Big Bang Ads will actually take you out as a VIP guest, bring you one crazy night of the hottest nightclubs, and you can tag along with them. So wherever they go, whatever tables they buy, whatever drinks they host, you are there as their guest of honor. So I would say this is a competition we've never seen before. Now you have the entry. So as soon as you get your mastermind entry ticket from Debrew, link in the description below, for the December mastermind, you have 2 months to either gather 10,000 euros in the European and APAC geos combined, or when you solely run APAC, 5,000 euros. You will get 3 things. Your ticket to Affiliate World Barcelona as an affiliate ticket, July 2020. Then you will be invited to a luxury dinner with Big Bang Ads and Debrew. Then you'll be invited to a crazy night out partying from the Big Bang Ads team. Meet everybody, shake some hands, meet everybody from your account manager to the top directors. Everybody will be there. So this is a chance you don't want to miss. This is a very unique opportunity. Join the mastermind today and take advantage of this competition. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back with insane content tomorrow. A peace.